friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to say the history of National Farmers Day 2020 and the significance of National Farmers Day 2020. Come on, let's go into the video. Before going into the video, who and all didn't subscribe to our channel, touch the bell icon to receive more notifications from my channel. Come on. First, I would like to share a bit information about National Farmers Day. Kisan Diwas or National Farmers Day is observed on December 23rd across the country to praise the farmers as they are the spine of India. The day was chosen to honor the birth anniversary of the 5th Prime Minister of India, Chaudhry Charan Singh. He was born on December 23rd, 1902. Chaudhry Charan Singh once said, "The true India resides in villages." The history of Kisan Diwas. Chaudhry Charan Singh, the Kisan leader, served the country for a very short period from July 28, 1979 to January 14, 1980. He had introduced several welfare schemes for the farmers and wrote several books on farmers and their problems, depicting various solutions to improve the lives of the farmers of the nation. Therefore, the government in 2001 decided to mark Charan Singh's birth anniversary as Kisan Diwas. Chaudhry Charan Singh followed the famous slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which was given to the farmers by Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India. National Farmers Day 2020 significance. India is primarily the land of villages in which the majority of the population is farmers having agriculture as their main source of income. However, despite being the most prominent means of life for so many people, not many are aware of the problems that farmers face. People remain ignorant about the necessary information about this sect of the country. Therefore, celebrations work on educating people about these issues and also focused on empowering the farmers themselves with the latest learning of the agricultural sector. On Farmers' Day, several debates, forums, discussions, quizzes, and competitions are organized to discuss the various issues related to farmers and cultivation. Okay friends, let's see in our another video. Bye bye.